This is huge. Look at this. Let's go up to 2. Just look. Look how big this thing is. That is an amazing motor. 10,500 pound capacity according to the certificate. There's the store. Again, just look, this thing is huge. This is probably about twice the size of a normal service elevator. In fact, there's 2 guide rails. Innovation bruiser fixtures, and yep, 10,500 pounds. The other one has a chime, apparently. Let's send this one up. This door takes a while to shut. Anyway, it's basically the same cab. And yeah, I'm shocked by how big these elevators are. Yeah, I get that they need to carry a lot of carts, but like, this big? This is huge. Also, we're gonna end up at 2. Before we do that, there's the escalator. And also there's a shopping cart escalator out there. This is all the way in the back of the cab. I think someone called it, but we're gonna get out anyway. That'll be it.